Still trusting those heavy, rusty steel tire carriers on your RV? It's time for a major upgrade. Check out the Safoner heavy-duty aluminum RV spare tire carrier. The main body is crafted from premium, rock-solid aluminum. No rust, ever. Look at the hardware it comes with. All high-strength bolts designed for maximum loads. High-strength stainless steel bolts mean it's completely weatherproof and built to last. Here is the best part. It includes these custom high-density rubber protective pads. Just peel and stick them onto your bumper to prevent any scratches or wear. This ensuring a perfect, snug fit right from the start. Next, slide the main carrier right onto the base and insert the heavy-duty bolts. Grab your power drill and let's torch them down. Pop on the washers and the premium nylon locking nuts. Now, let's secure the long clamping bolts underneath the bumper. Tighten all the lower mounting screws in sequence. No welding required. Make sure the heavy-duty bolts at the joint are fully tightened for ultimate safety. It features a convenient T-handle quick-release pin. Thread the anti-wobble bolt into the base and tighten it to eliminate all play. Snap the safety cable's carabiner firmly into the anchor ring. Give it a hard shake test, absolutely rigid, with zero wobble. Before mounting, double-check your spare tire's bolt pattern. The universal top plate is engineered to fit most standard RV setups. Place the heavy-duty wheel mounting bolts right into the slots. Lift your full-sized spare tire and slide it into position effortlessly. Unhook the heavy-duty safety cable for the next step. Pass the cable through the rim's center hole for ultimate theft protection. Spin the lug nuts and washers onto the exposed bolts by hand. Grab your wrench and lock down both nuts completely. Secure and steady, and you're fully set to hit the road. Look at that clean, low-profile, and professional installation. Need to access your rear storage bay? Just pull the quick-release pin. The entire carrier tilts back smoothly, so you can open your hatch with ease. Done loading? Just push it back up with one hand. Pop the pin back in, lock it down, and it's instantly rigid again. No matter how bumpy the trail gets, your spare tire stays rock solid. That is the Safoner quality.